Isaac, you skip that. Ashton, stop. Good one. Oh, that smells strong. Is that how you like vegetables?
Unless you have bacon on the order. No?
So when I get like a vegetable or something, like I think it's not there.
Yeah. Anything else?
Yeah.
So you see them first. You basically eat the chicken whatever plain rice. Very, very nice. And then top.
It's $1 each and this is $6. It's $1 which we need to. Yeah. I like this. That's good. It's a good picture. Hi.